Hey Haiti family, this is Cliff. Just a real quick tutorial on how to save other people's things to a folder and then download that folder to your computer if you want other people's videos or pictures. I'm doing this because this is on a paid subscription month to month, and I'm going to cancel it because we don't really need it after this month. So I'll give you about 2 weeks to save whatever pictures you need to save from other people, and so you can save it to your computer. So what you need to do is just go to your folder, and under your folder just click under New Folder, create a folder, call it whatever, save from others. I've already done it, so new folder. And under your new folder, all you have to do after you create it, right, is now go back to other people's pictures. Let's say I'm going to Lynette's pictures here. And then from there, you can go ahead and pick the files that you like. Let's say I wanted to take this and this. You can click on that. If you hold down Shift and click, it'll take all the pictures in between your last click. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. It'll take off the other click. So anyways, just click on the pictures that you like, and then once you clicked on all the pictures you like, go ahead and hit copy to, and then you'll copy to pictures, your folder. But for this demonstration, under my name, I created a new folder. Okay. And then come to the top, and where check mark where it says copy, go ahead and hit copy. Same thing if you wanted to go back to files, get a video that you like, go ahead, click on videos. After you click on videos, choose the video that you like. I think I have them all on mine. Let's say I wanted this one here and this video. Then go ahead and come up here to where it says copy to. Again, click on pictures, your file name, and then the folder you created, and then go up here to the check mark, copy, and click. And that'll take the two videos that and it says right here, copying those two items to the folder that I created. Now, once that is done, go back to your folders. It's still copying because they're videos. Go back to your folder, click on pictures. For the purpose of this demonstration, go to my new folder. And what I'm going to do is click on new folder, and everything in the new folder I've saved from everybody's pictures and videos. I'm just going to take that, and I want to download that folder, so it'll take that entire folder and it'll download it to my computer, wherever your downloaded files are. And then as a zip form, it'll pop up, and then all you have to do is, now it's on your computer, and then all you have to do is unzip the file into your file. So that's how to save anybody else's pictures into your folder. When you click on files here, it opens up pictures, videos, and documents. Under pictures is where all our names are. Click on your file, create a new file, and then go back to everybody else's file and choose the pictures you want, videos you want, and then copy to. Don't move to. If you move to, it'll take it out of other people's files and put it in yours, and nobody else will see it. And as you see, it just downloaded to my computer. And what you can do, depending on the operating system that you have, most people have Windows, just go ahead and hit extract all when it's downloaded. And when you extract all, you choose which folders you want to save them into. I have a Haiti file that I save all my pictures into. You save it into there, and then all the pictures will unzip or load onto your computer in that file. Okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. Love you guys. 2 weeks is your deadline to get it all done. And I'll shoot out a reminder email for you. All right, love you guys. Talk to you later.